First thing first, make sure that you have zip support enabled in your Linux system. Use your distribution's package manager and try to install it. Now, let's see how to password protect a zip file in Linux. The method is almost the same as creating zip folder in Linux, though our option is used to recursively look into directories. The E option is for encryption. You'll be asked to enter and verify the password. You won't see the password being typed on the screen, that's normal. Just type the password and press enter both times. Do note that if someone tries to unzip this file, he or she can see the content of the folder, such as which files are there in the zipped file, but the files cannot be read. Select the files or folders you want to compress into a zip file. That's it. You have successfully created a password-protected zip file in Ubuntu Linux graphically. The next time you want to extract it, it will ask for a password.